Hello everyone, this is Senzo Guhle. My name is Senzo Guhle. I've made this video to talk about how how Mr. Sad's training has impacted me. It has impacted me positively because he has taught us about candlestick patterns, how to use the Fibonacci, the EMA, the exponential moving average, how to put a stop loss and a take profit. How to he even helped me to open a demo account with a trusted broker. He taught me about market structure, how to use the different time frames, trend lines. Trade we did a 50 trade challenge. He taught me what's a pip. We learned about price action. He's helped me a lot with my trading, and his training has given me confidence to when I'm approaching the market. So I would greatly advise anyone who's new to Forex to take his training and to take his course because it's fantastic. I haven't yet joined the Facebook group because my family does not allow me to use Facebook, but I've opened an account now. So please